Today we're talking about what you can do with your leftover bacon grease. So I've got a pan full of grease here, a plate of bacon, and a couple of tools to help get the job done. Now there's various ways that you can go about straining your bacon grease, like the bacon bin that not only strains your bacon grease but allows you to store it as well. You could use a coffee filter or a strainer. Today I'm using a glass mason jar and some cheesecloth. So you want to go ahead and unscrew, put your cheesecloth on, and secure it with the ring, and carefully strain. Now the reason that you want to go ahead and strain your grease is so that you get all those little bacon bits out. The bacon bits, they help it go rancid quicker, so if you strain it, it should keep for longer. So now that we've got it strained, you want to go ahead and put your lid back on. Now you can store your bacon grease a couple of different ways. If you put it in the fridge, it'll last up to 6 months. In the freezer, it'll last up to a year. Or if you put it in the cupboard, it'll last about 2 months. And you want to make sure it's in a dark cupboard, about 50 to 70 degrees. So there's a lot you can do with your leftover bacon grease as far as cooking goes. I've just put a couple of tablespoons into a pan and popped some fresh popcorn. You could also saute some potatoes or make fresh potato salad. I really like to fry my eggs in the morning in bacon grease. So as long as you properly strain and store your bacon grease, it can really go a long way.